Hey everyone, just want to show off a couple pine bows I made in 10 minutes. This is a different set. This bundle bow is actually the old one I showed a few weeks ago, except I replaced two limbs, the end one and the other end, and I let them dry for a day. And it's about 40 pounds. And this is one I got today, and this one's about 50 pounds, 40 pounds, 50 pounds. This one took 10 minutes to make. I'll show how they shoot, and then I'll share a couple techniques for making survival bows, because it's great knowing how to make professional bows. The thing is, it can take weeks or months in the woods. This is something to make when you first find yourself in a survival situation. Even though it's pine, and you shouldn't use pine, you can use pine. All depends if you know what to do, and I've learned that through months of practice and some testing. And I'll share a few techniques after I shoot these. This one's pretty powerful. The bottom flexes more, so you always want your stiff limb up high. Your more flexible limb will be at the bottom. Miss. Busted my arrow in half. Maybe that's not the best spot.